Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to do the multi-city search on Skyscanner. I'll teach you how to do so on both the web browser or here on your computer or on your phone. Okay, so first up, under the website, just go ahead over to skyscanner.com. Now, once you're in here, select the place where you are departing from, and then two right here, just click on it, erase it. Now you can go ahead and select multi-city search. Okay, just click on it. And here, as you can see, we now have another tab in here. Okay, you can go ahead and click on add another flight, and add in some more if you want. Okay, once done, just hit on search and you're good to go. Now for mobile devices, just go ahead and go to flights with the same set of steps, two right here, tap on it and make sure to select multi-city. Once done, you can go ahead and add flight like so, as you wish. Okay, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.